Okay, so here we've got a question involving coordinates, and what we've got to remember about coordinates is that you always go along the corridor first and up and down the stairs. So we go in the horizontal direction first and then vertical. So follow X first, Y second. So be careful to make sure you write your coordinates in the correct order. Write down the coordinates of point C. So C, always start at the origin 0, 0, the beginning. So we had to go nothing on the X. But we went down to -1 on the Y, so 0, -1. ABCD is a square, so we recognise what a square means. All the lengths are the same, and every vertex meets at a right angle. So on the grid mark across where D is such that it is a square, well, we can see from here that we've got a nice pattern going on. That is going down there, that is going down there, so that must be 3, 1, so it must be 3, 1. So that's where the square will be. So mark with X. Okay, so again we're recognising patterns. We had to go 3, 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. So we go around the shape making the square. Write down the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment. So midpoint is the middle, and it's between B and C. So B and C. So we want to be in the middle of those two. So the middle of there is going to be there. And so that's going to be at -1/2, +1/2. Okay, the check would be to add the coordinates and halve them. So BC, well, B is at the coordinate -1, 2. C is at the coordinate 0, -1. When we add those, we get -1, 1. And then when we divide by 2, we get -1/2, 1/2. So either way it works. So to find the midpoint of coordinates, you could add the two coordinates up and then halve them, or you can do it through looking at a picture and working through logic, halfway along and halfway up. So that's why we end up with -1/2, 1/2. Okay, so a little bit of work on coordinates. Quite a common question, guys. So make sure you practice coordinates and make sure they're in the correct order. Horizontal numbers first, then go up and down.